How to download and log into Bank of America app. If you wish to download and log into the Bank of America app, it is very simple for us to do so. So all we have to do is go ahead and then launch the Bank of America mobile banking application. But before you do that, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for the Bank of America app. So here you'll find the Bank of America app. Make sure to download it. Once done, launch the mobile app like this. Given that you're already registered for mobile banking, tap on the login button, which you can see from the very bottom of the screen. And just wait until this page has completed and accept the terms and conditions, then tap the login button. Enter the user ID or password associated with your Bank of America mobile banking account, then tap the login button. You can also save your user ID or you can set up your biometrics in the process. You can also tap on forgot user ID or password if you'd like to reset it. And this way you'll be able to download and log into the Bank of America mobile app. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.